Welcome to this guided visualization designed to help you to connect with your higher self, embracing spirituality and personal growth. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down and gently close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths in through your nose and exhale through your mouth, letting go of any tension. Let your body sink deeper and deeper. Your mind and body are relaxed, yet be here, be in the present moment. Repeat after me. I know what I'm doing. I know this is real. I am the creator of my reality. And I am limitless. Now, imagine yourself in a beautiful, serene place that represents spiritual connection and personal growth for you. This could be at a retreat in a peaceful forest, a tranquil mountaintop, or a serene sanctuary. Picture this place vividly in your mind. Take a look around the place of transformation and spiritual growth. Notice the details, the vibrant colors of nature, the expansive sky, or the calming interiors of the sanctuary. You feel a deep connection with Mother Nature. You feel the oneness with everything that's around you. And as you expand your consciousness, you began to connect with your true authentic self. The self that's beyond your physical body, the self that is infinite and perfect, just the way you are. Now, I'd like you to see yourself transforming to the next best version of yourself. Notice how you stand tall with confidence and poise. Your posture exudes strength and calmness. Observe the clothes you're wearing. They reflect the next best version of you. Perhaps they're elegant or comfortable. They're suited for the image you want to project to the world. And you feel a sense of ease as you step into the new version of you now. Repeat after me. I am connected to the divine, and the essence of who I am is perfect and infinite. And hear the confidence tone in your voice as you speak with clarity and purpose. Hear others congratulating you and expressing their admiration of your growth. See their faces filled with pride and joy for you. Maybe they're your loved ones saying things like, "Wow, you have grown so much. You're such an inspiration. And we are so proud of you, of how far you've come and your transformation." Let their words fill you with a sense of accomplishment and joy. Repeat after me. I am grateful for the growth and enlightenment in my life. Now, I'd like you to focus on your physical body, which is a vessel for your soul. You are a spiritual being living in this physical body, having a temporary human experience. Feel the strength in your muscles, the vitality in your skin. Your body is strong and healthy. It is the perfect vessel for your spiritual connection. Feel the energy flowing to and through you, connecting you to the universe. And repeat after me. I am open to receiving spiritual guidance and wisdom from the universe. Now breathing deeply and notice the sense that's around you. Maybe it's the fresh aroma of pine trees, the earthy scent of the freshly cut grass, or the soothing fragrance of sage and palo santo burning in the sanctuary. These smells are invigorating and remind you of your spiritual connection and personal transformation. They fill you with a sense of positivity and protection. Repeat after me. I bring forth love, light, and positivity. Now, imagine yourself tasting a refreshing sip of pure spring water or a bite of fresh fruit. The taste is clean, pure, and satisfying, reminding you of the nourishment and vitality available to you. These tastes connect you to the abundance of the earth and the energy of the universe. Repeat after me. Thank you, universe, for supplying me with food that nourishes my body and soul. As you experience this place of spiritual growth, you're being surrounded by your guides and angels. Feel the love, joy, and peace that come with knowing you're not alone and that you are always supported by your divine team. You feel a sense of gratitude and love all around you. Put your hands over your heart and repeat after me. This or something better now manifests for me in harmonious ways. Thank you, universe. Take a few more moments to enjoy the spiritual connection and personal growth. Know that you can return to this place and this feeling anytime you wish. When you're ready, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of spiritual connection and growth with you throughout your day. And remember, you are connected to the divine and are continuously growing and expanding. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. Guided visualization is a part of a free 30-day creative visualization challenge where we focus on the 4 pillars of life: health, finances, relationships, and personal growth. To sign up for the free challenge, where you'll get a total of 4 videos covering all of the 4 pillars of life, just click on the link in the description below. And also to receive a free gift, which includes the 5 steps creative visualization process and the do's and don'ts during the visualization process. See you there.